Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today we are going to upgrade my Galaxy S20 to the new Android 13. Right now it is on Android 12. So today will be just a demonstration. I'm not going to go into Android 13 because I don't know enough about it. This will just be a demonstration of what happens when you do upgrade with the software update. So first of all, do your due diligence and back up your important files. In my case, it's WhatsApp and the camera, which are my daily drivers. So I did make videos how to back up those files. Link in the description below. And make sure that your USB charger is plugged in. Let's do this, guys. So we'll go to Settings. We want to go to Software Update. And it says Download and Install. Let's do that. Update ready to install. And we are going to install now. Now you can read all this. I think I've already have. One UI 5 upgrade, Android 13. So you can either schedule your install or I'm going to install it now. Usually I'll do it at night, but I have plenty of time right now. So let's do the install. Install now.
Prepare ship for ludicrous speed. Fasten all seatbelts. Seal all entrances and exits. Close all shops in the mall. Cancel the three-ring circus. Secure all animals in the zoo. Give me that, you petty excuse for an officer. Y'all hear this? Ludicrous speed. Sir, and you better buckle up. Now buckle this. Ludicrous speed. Go!
I guess that's it, guys. And so Android 13, guys. Again, this video is not about the changes and whatnot, because I think you can look that up. There's billions of other videos like that. But yeah, it's a relatively painless process. If there's any issues at all, I will be sure to update you guys with another video. So yeah, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. All right, cheers, guys.